My name's Chef Jean Paul Bourgeois. We're here in Kansas City at the American Royal World Series of Barbecue. What does that mean? Well, there's 530 teams cooking barbecue around us. That means tons of leftovers. First up, griddle brisket, fried egg, gooey cheese on a hot bun, only on the Blackstone Griddle. Stay tuned. I get the griddle hot, it's on high. The lard goes right on the hot part of the griddle, and then I have 3 beautiful slices of brisket that was just turned in for comps, griddling right on the flat top. Really want to make sure that brisket gets nice and caramelized, because that texture and crispy contrast is going to go perfectly with the soft meat interior and the gooey cheese and the egg. Once the meat has gotten beautiful and brown and crisp on one side, go ahead and give that a flip, and then puddle your grease on side of the brisket, so that's where you want to fry your eggs. I have 3 eggs I'm going to fry in the brisket fat. Then I'm going to season them with a little barbecue rub I got from one of the teams. Once the bottom of the eggs start to cook, you can go ahead and use your spatula to break up the eggs and scramble them on the flat top. At that point, you can stack your brisket on top of the eggs. You can use a cheese of your choice. I want it nice and melty and soft and gooey. I'm going to use my Blackstone Dome to cover that, make sure it's nice and right for that sandwich. Don't overlook a good toast on your bun. We're using lard in this case, right on the griddle. Get nice and toasty before we stack our sandwich together. What we're looking for when we lift the dome is cheese melting, not only melted on top, but actually seeping through the brisket and the eggs that are underneath. I like using provolone because it's sharp, it's rich, but it also melts well, which just adds another depth to the sandwich. Now you can tell this is gonna be a hefty sandwich. So we're gonna cut this side, stack it on the other 2, and then go right onto our bun. Last but not least, gotta hit it with your favorite sauce, sweet, spicy, whatever you like. Drizzle it all over the top. That's really gonna set all those flavors off and bring all those rich components to balance. And as I cut through, I can see that beautiful charred brisket. The toasted bun is just sitting perfectly on top. Gooey cheese running down, the fried egg just peeping through. We're gonna take a bite of that. This isn't your mama's leftovers. This brisket is perfect, just like this. It's 3 simple ingredients: brisket, egg, cheese. It's gonna go so perfect, even the next day for breakfast, for lunch, dinner, any time of the week. For more recipes like this one, go see blackstoneproducts.com.